Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Monica and I'm here to solve all your tiffin worries. Along with some of your most loved chefs, we are bringing you a new, tasty and healthy recipe for every school day. Today we are making Palak Theplas. They are healthy, delicious and so easy to make in the morning. So come, let's make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So let's make the atta for our theplas. Whole wheat flour, boiled potatoes, besan, a little bit of chilli powder, some turmeric, some salt, dhania powder, ginger, some garlic, coriander leaves, till, green chilies and some spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamin A and helps in keeping our skin and eyes very healthy. And now, time to add some Kissan Tomato Ketchup. The ketchup adds a nice tomatoey flavor to the dish and makes it very exciting for the kids. Now, all you have to do is knead the dough. The dough is ready. Now, let's roll out our theplas. Before you start rolling your theplas, let's heat the tawa. Slightly dust your thepla bowl. The tawa is also hot, so let's cook it. Cook it till it's browned on both sides. You can use a bit of oil if you want. That's it, this is ready. So come, let's pack the tiffin now. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I'll be back soon to show you कैसे बनाएं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.